Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Marie Plans. Welcome back to my channel for another memory plan with me. This week I am planning out the week of February 15th through the 21st. I'm using this kit from Station Stickers. I honestly think this kit is probably like 2 or 3 years old. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure this was like the kit I purchased when I made my very first purchase from Station Stickers. I am now, I do PR for Station Stickers now. You guys can actually just use my code Erica. It's just my name to save on your purchase. And then I also want to mention that she does do printed stickers now. I know she did them like once a month, and I believe it's like on a regular basis now. I can't remember. I know she just posted like a new video and updating on like printed stickers. I just have yet to watch it. But definitely check out her shop. Her prices are so affordable. And if she's having like a sale, you can still use my discount code with just my name and you can get that same sale price as like your discount. So that's really cool that she matches that. But yeah, so this is on, it's kind of like a matte paper. I know now it's kind of similar, like the matte paper I have like in my newer kits that I purchased. It's kind of like a premium matte. So I really like it. The foiling's amazing. I just really like her kits. This one is called Nicole. Pretty sure it's not in her shop anymore. They are pre-foiled and you get to pick your foil too, which is amazing. So I picked silver foil for this one. So everything is silver foil. The full box overlays I did are from Sticker Guru, and then I think I used some from Caress Press as well. The one that I will be putting on Wednesday is the one that says "You're doing great, sweetie," and that used to be on my PR freebie from Sticker Guru. I do have a new freebie, so it doesn't have that anymore. But if you have that, that is what I used for it because it was a pretty simple box. Oh my God, sorry, my phone just went off. So I thought I don't know, it needed that extra little quote in there to kind of jazz it up a little bit. And then I also used another one that says "I am strong," which is also from a freebie from Sticker Guru. I can't remember whose that one is. I want to say it's like Geeky Plannings. I think I like took everything off and put it in my like binder, like my storage binder, so I don't have the actual sheet that says whose freebie it was on, but that is also an older one too, so you can't get it unfortunately, but if you have it, that is where it came from. Um, so the sidebar is really simple. I didn't have a whole bunch of like extra boxes, so I just did a weekly tracker that I will put in my work times later. I just have not done that yet. And then I also am tracking water, which I still have not put in there. And then later on, you'll see I put the February script, and that is from Sticker Guru as well. So first thing I'm marking on Monday is that I had a day off. All these scripts, I think, yeah, in this spread, every single script is one that I made myself. So if you have any questions on those, that is where it's from. I just made it myself in my Silhouette program and then used my Silhouette to cut it. So first thing I marked is that I had my day off on Monday, which I miss having my days off on Monday ever since we did our new rotation schedules. I no longer have Mondays off, which really suck because I love having Sundays and Mondays off. So, yeah, so I marked that and I also slept in because I also did not have to work at the school. It was a holiday. It was President's Day. So I had that day off, which was really nice to be able to sleep in on a Monday. I used a Coffee Monsters Co. emoji to mark that. And since I had the day off, I really wanted to go all out for brunch. Dean and I used to go to this place called Echo and Rig down in downtown Sacramento. But since obviously we don't live there anymore, we can't get these lemon ricotta pancakes that are so good. They're actually lemon ricotta blueberry pancakes. I just realized I forgot to put the blueberry part in there, but I did add blueberries and they were so good. So we had that that day, and then since we just kind of chilled that day, we also watched a couple movies. We watched Bliss, which is on Amazon Prime. It was very confusing and it literally gave me a headache. I could not follow. We finished it. I didn't understand it. And then also watched War Dogs. We've seen it before. I really like that movie. It's super funny. I think it was just on Netflix. It could have possibly been on Amazon too, but we watched it that day. And then I also finished watching The Cecil Hotel. And then I just had some me time that day with just like washing my hair, doing a face mask, and doing all that kind of stuff. Moving on into Tuesday. Okay, I really like this script that I made that says, ugh, it's a Monday type of Tuesday. I think that's the right way to say it. I don't think you would say it's a Tuesday type of Monday. Yeah, you would definitely say it's a Monday. No, it's a Monday type of Tuesday, right? Yeah, that makes sense. So, it was, yeah, it felt like a Monday. The kids were just out of control this day. So I really wanted to mark that. We were just, both me and my site supervisor were just so overwhelmed. So I used a munchkin, or yeah, a munchkin to mark that. I also folded all the laundry this day. That sock sticker is from the paper and milk. And then I had leftover pancake batter, and so I just made more pancakes for breakfast that day. And that chef is also a munchkin from Once More with Love. Dean also cleaned the house, which was really nice to come home to a clean kitchen. He just cleaned the kitchen, but it was so nice coming home to that. Just, I don't know, because I feel like after working all day, I am the one that always ends up cleaning the house. So it was just nice coming home to that. And then also took a nap this day before going back to work, or not. I mean, I don't go anywhere for work. I stay here because I work from home. And then I also brushed the puppies this day, and that sticker is from Stick with the Plant Co. All right, moving on into Wednesday. It was Ash Wednesday. Um, we do Lent, or not we, I do Lent, and my family does Lent. So I did not go to church to get like my ashes or anything like that. Um, I don't know, I haven't gone to church in a while, so I still follow it though. So I wanted to mark Ash Wednesday there. I also got a gift from Dean's grandmother for my birthday. She made me like this cute little blanket, and she like made it herself. It reminds me of something that like my Wella would make. Well, that's a lie because she doesn't make that kind of stuff, but like it's something that my dad has from his Wella. So I don't know, I just like those kinds of blankets. So she made me one of those, super cute. And then I watched 90210. I possibly could have started it this day. I don't remember because I'm trying to look back now at my plan with me's, and I feel like I haven't marked it on in my plan with me's yet that I started watching 90210, but I know I've like talked about it before. So maybe I'm lying. Maybe I have started it, but I did watch a good chunk of 90210, and I used a paper shower girl to mark that. I also had to work late this day. We were pretty busy, so I had to stay past 9 PS. So it was daylight savings had not happened yet, so it was still 10 o'clock my time. So I had to stay pretty late, which was really annoying. And I also just made corn dip for dinner. It's my favorite corn dip that I make. So I just had that for dinner. I just added like avocado to kind of have like more of like to have it more like filling, so I can have it as like a dinner. So that's what I had, and I used a fox and cactus like nacho sticker to mark that. Moving on into Thursday, I did a huge Trader Joe's run. And that sticker, I don't know where it's from. It's a super old sticker, so I cannot remember where that girl is from. Unfortunately, I will have to look at it. So if you guys are curious, just let me know and I will look and leave it down in the comments. It was also payday this day, and then I marked that I washed my hair. I used a Happy Day sticker. We also had pizza. I think I just had a frozen. Oh yeah, they have their like deep fried garlic crust pizza at Trader Joe's. I believe that's what it's called. It's so good. It definitely makes my stomach hurt. Garlic and just like any gluten really makes my stomach hurt and gives me really bad heartburn, especially garlic. But it's so good. But I felt like crap. Oh yeah, because I did mark that I had a stomach ache after, and that was from the pizza. I've only had it, I think, another time after that because I was just craving it and I just was kind of sucking it up, and I knew I wasn't going to feel the best after. But if you don't have a problem with garlic or gluten, highly recommend it at Trader Joe's. And then I also went to bed pretty early this day, like right after work, because I just did not feel the best. Moving on into Friday, I did a Target pickup, and then that sticker is from Style Planner. I also had an Amazon order. No, I placed an order from Amazon. I used a munchkin to mark that. I also had really, really bad cramps this day. I used a Glam Planner girl, and then it was the first Friday of Lent, so I could not have meat. This really honestly was pretty hard this year with Lent because I feel like whenever we do cook, it is chicken and meat, like just that kind of stuff. Tuna is not meat. I get so many people that like not even just like on my channel, but like in my everyday life that say tuna is meat. I do not see tuna as meat. Um, Lent does not consider fish as meat. So I had tuna for dinner this day because that's all I could have, and that's all we had in the house that was not like meat. I also had a beer. I think this day I got off work early. So I just wanted to have a beer after, um, like, after getting off work early. So I marked that. We also watched WandaVision because it was Friday and it came out that day. And then we watched a little bit of Shutter Island. We didn't finish it. I've seen the movie before when it first came out. Oh my God, that was like back in high school. And it was really good. I liked it, but just didn't finish it because we both fell asleep. And that is a Paper Shire Girl. And then I had late night mac and cheese for dinner because I had gone to Trader Joe's the day before and I forgot I had that. So I had that for dinner. Moving on into Saturday, started my morning with my morning coffee, and I used a Fox and Pip Girl to mark that. I also called my dad and Gabby this morning, and that is an emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. I had my Amazon delivery this day. I don't remember what I ordered. I was ordering a lot of stuff on Amazon. So can't remember what exactly was ordered. But that is a Glam Planner Girl. We also had Chipotle for dinner. I was like really, really craving it. So we DoorDash, I think we DoorDash. No, we Uber Eats that. Uber Eats that. That's so weird to say that, but we got it off Uber Eats. And that is a burrito from Fox and Cactus. We also had a beer together. We just had ciders, so I don't know. Same with like the previous day, we just had a cider. But I don't know why I put beer. I could have just put cider since I made these scripts myself. But that's what we had. And this was the first day that we were going to start our Marvel journey with watching all the Marvel movies in order. I think we've messed up. Looking back on it, I think we did a couple out of order, but it's okay. We ended up finishing it. And um, I guess I'll talk about it when I get to the very end with the end game. I don't know how over the years I did not know how the end game ended, and I was devastated when we watched it. But I'll talk more about that when we get to it. But I just couldn't believe I didn't know how it ended after all these years it's been out already. So we started watching Captain America this day. We finished it, and I used a Captain America bunny from Papershire. I thought those were so cute. It doesn't really match the spread, but I wanted to use it so bad. And then moving on into Sunday, I slept in once again, and then I had a crime binge, and I also painted my nails and did a voiceover. All those girls are from Stick with the Plan Co., and then the hand is from SPC. Super old sticker. I think I got it in like a rack bag recently, but I know I purchased those like when they were available back then, and I really like those, but that was like years ago. I also bought some stickers this day, and then we had also gone to Banderas. I can't remember why we went. Oh, for Valentine's Day. We didn't get to go the weekend before because I had to work, so we went to Banderas this day. And it's our favorite restaurant, Dean's favorite restaurant. I really love it too. They have the best jalapeno garlic or cornbread. We go through like three of those when we go out there. So we went to Scottsdale, went to Banderas, and got some gelato after, and then came home and watched Captain Marvel. So that completes this week's plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll show you guys a zoomed out photo of everything, or clip of everything. If you guys like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you guys can see more videos when I post them. I'm trying to post them more regularly just because we are in the process of moving, so I kind of want to get caught up so that when we are kind of like in that transition phase, I have something to upload. So I was like figuring out, and we'll be able to have like a consistent upload until June 3rd. And then after that, I won't have a place to film for a bit. I'll get more into that once we get closer to moving. But I mean, we are going to move in the next 3 weeks, which is so crazy. um, so again, just thank you guys so much for watching. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Erica Marie Plans. I will have it linked down below. And if you guys have questions about anything, ask them down below as well in the comments. I think that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys.